Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams. To know how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams, you should just go to Settings. Here you click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. After that you will enter to the window of Microsoft Teams and you click here in this page. Then this page of App Info you will click on First App and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of Storage. After that we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause your errors in your app. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix such problems. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.